Hello to everyone. My name is Elwin, and together with Jasmine and Elena, we are presenting ThinkSus. Think and act sustainably. The outline of our presentation will start describing our motivation, then the approach and proposed solution, then we introduce ThinkSus as a result, and finally we present our next steps like the business model and so on. So, have you ever planned to travel sustainably? Travelers around the world want to be more sustainable, and they rarely manage to travel in a sustainable way. So, the 32% of travelers don't find information about sustainable destinations when booking. So, it's really important the lack of knowledge or presenting sustainable information of businesses. Victor, 28 years old, loves traveling and wants to book a sustainable destination. And what is the problem that he is facing it? He cannot find accommodations that show its degree of sustainability. So businesses and hotels in this case, they don't provide information of their sustainability. Hans Hofer is the director of a hotel and he faces another problem. His business is not listed as sustainable destination in Google nor in booking platforms. So his business cannot be shown and reach more travelers. So how we could face this problem, how we could tackle, we present ThinkSus, a sustainable tourist destinations knowledge graph, which stores, verifies, curates, and evaluates sustainable destinations based on heterogeneous data sources. So ThinkSus knowledge graph can be embedded on your business website and also not only provide textual uh, about the sustainability of your business, but also semantic annotations, which are structured data that can be accessible by machines. So basically, ThinkSus can make your business more visible to search engines and booking platforms. This will allow, for example, to search engines to provide Google Knowledge panels with sustainability information about businesses. The first prototype of ThinkSus is a schedule on the right side image, which basically extracts data from data sources like Open Data and Data Gov of AT. And also, this knowledge is verified using W3C standard tools like Shackle and using de facto standards from the web like schema.org. And then ThinkSus computes a sustainability score for all the businesses that are in the knowledge graph, and this knowledge can be deployed on websites. Basically, as a widget, for example, it can be embedded on websites and can be reachable by users and also by machines. The full prototype of the of ThinkSus, it can be found on a Google Colab that you can follow through the link. ThinkSus, it can be deployed as a widget on websites, as you can see in this sustainable review summary. This is provided by ThinkSus, and in this case, Victor can now book a sustainable destination by seeing the sustainability of the hotels. Then, in the other side, Hans Hofer, the director of hotel, uh, can position his hotel as a sustainable destination on booking platforms. So ThinkSus allows businesses to be indexed by booking platforms. In this case, we are seeing the hotel indexes and showing the description of the sustainability degree of the hotel. At the same time, ThinkSus allows businesses to be positioned as sustainable destinations on search engines. So search engines can provide this kind of summarization of sustainability of businesses over months, from January to December, an average degree of sustainability, and also a sustainability review summary that can be provided in knowledge panels. What are the next steps regarding ThinkSus? We present ThinkSus as a knowledge graph as a service, and with ThinkSus you can specify how sustainable information is organized on your business website. ThinkSus can make your sustainable information more visible to search engine. It provides APIs to other parties like booking platforms and improves end user experiences for your business. So your business can get more visibility and engage more travelers. So we in the first round we provide and we prepare these plans that can engage businesses to adopt ThinkSus. So we provide a tester plan which is free for 30 days. We also provide a startup plan which allows startups or businesses to access the knowledge graph and also integrate APIs for a monthly uh, subscription. We also prepare an enterprise plan that can allow uh, customization and of the services and the knowledge graph of uh, up to 10 domains. And for presenting ThinkSus as a knowledge graph as a service, we are having some costs, and those can be summarized on operational expenses, startup expenses, mobiliary, open source software, and others, some like contingency. So it will cost us at around 25,000 euros in the first year, and this cost will be found by the founders at the first year. So we are prognosticating also here how we could see the monthly sales of ThinkSus over the next 3 years. Also, we are showing a bar chart of monthly revenue trend of ThinkSus plans for 3 years. Basically, we are comparing what we could earn versus the cost that we are facing during this period of time. And with ThinkSus, with our plan, the year 2 and year 3, we already uh, earning from the services that we are providing with ThinkSus. The final step, and we as a ThinkSus team, we are looking forward to creating partnerships with businesses and also test our first prototype, release a stable version of it in the next 6 months, and gather first customers. So we are looking forward to a speed up time in implementation of sustainable actions in businesses. We are ThinkSus.